30th of October today. We've come to Cairo right now. It was a road trip from Alexandria to Cairo. It took about 2.5-3 hours. I don't know, we almost like slept. It's quite sunny right now, but the weather is really nice. It's really cold, but it's sunny, so it's like balancing it out. So we're waiting here near McDonald's. Then we're gonna go to FAIYUM. It's 2 hours from here, 95 kilometers. So I'm guessing it's 2 hours from here, from Cairo. And we're not going to stay in Cairo or explore Cairo today. We're going to FAIYUM. FAIYUM is a city of waterfalls. We're going to go see the waterfall, go for sandboarding and all of that. That's all I know for now that we're going to do. But I'm really excited to see what FAIYUM has in store for us. And we're going to go again by a microbus. Hey Ria. Say hi to Sati's vlog. Oh my god, Ritvi, oh my god.
Oh my god.
It fell.
That's what she says.
Oh my. So we've successfully made it to FAIYUM. Now we're at this place where we're actually going to for a boat ride there, and then after that we're going to the Wadi Rayan Waterfalls, which is at the back there. This water that you see behind me is coming from the waterfall, which is there at the back. Do you see that? Do you see that? That's alright. This is so cool. This is so cool. Ria wants to cross. Oh my god. Because there is a litter of puppies and she wants to go and pet. So she wants to cross this.
The true litter going after the litter.
Yes! Just cross it like you cross.
Yeah, like a road.
Yeah, like a road.
Except a road that flows. Soon. Oh my god. Yeah. Take your pant up and
Yeah! 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 Jump, jump, jump!
Come on!
Thus, me all drenched, we went into the waterfall, even though we did not have clothes. But that's fine, because we had a lot of fun. Now we're just sitting here, soaking in some sun. Feeling
Ria?
super.
Ria!
So after going to the waterfall and getting drenched there, we've come here for sandboarding. These are dunes or like heaps of sand because it's Egypt and it's a desert for sure. So we go up there, right up there. It looks very little in the camera, but it's not that little. You have to climb all the way up and then this. I have my board here. I just came down. I was just trying out, and you have to come sliding down. Basically, we're sandboarding, so it's too much fun, and we're loving it. I'm gonna take you to the top of the whole heap of the mountain, whatever you call it, because the sun is beautiful there. It's about to set right now, so I'm gonna take you there. That's literally where I climbed from. This is so beautiful. I just saw a really beautiful sunset right here. Can you see? It's so beautiful.
Just push in front and don't make it.
don't give up. Left side.
Don't push! Don't push!
Yes! All of us are ready to go, but Riya doesn't want to go. Riya, come!
Spanish.
The moon is out and everything is pitch dark, but we're all ready for a bonfire here. We're doing a little bonfire party here. He's prepping the fire. शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी लहर लहर जैसे बह रही है कोई अनकही कोई अनसुनी. And that's how I ended my day in FAIYUM. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, then like, comment, subscribe, do all of those beautiful things, and I will see you in my next video.